How to connect Fitelo Smart Scale. I'm going to tell you how to connect your Fitelo Smart Scale. First, make sure that the scale is on a flat, hard surface and that Bluetooth is enabled on your phone. Download the Fitelo app from the App Store or Google Play and create an account if you haven't already. Once you're logged in, open the app and go to the Device tab or the section that says Add Device. Step on the scale to activate it. It should light up and attempt to connect. The app will then search for nearby devices. When you see your scale pop up, tap it to pair. Make sure your phone stays close to the scale during this process. Once it connects, the app might ask you to confirm your profile information, like height and age, so it can give you accurate readings. After setup, every time you step on the scale with the app open, it will sync your weight and body metrics automatically. And if you ever need to reconnect, just go to the devices section and repeat the process.